How to view your reports in 6Storage. To start, select Reports from the toolbar at the top of your screen. Here, you will see all of the reports that are available. Any reports you have favorited will show in the Favorites list in the top left. To add a report to your Favorites list, simply select it, and then use the star icon in the top left. If you have multiple locations, you may have to select one from the list before the report shows any information. On the left side, you'll see the Columns button. If you click here, you will see all of the information that this report is able to display. Simply use the checkboxes to decide what is showing and what is not. At the top of each column, you will see an icon that looks like 3 dots and another that looks like 3 lines. By selecting the 3 dots, you can sort the report by the information in that column. By selecting the 3 lines, you can filter the report by specific information displayed in that column. You can also use the box to type your search. If you would like to download your report information, you can use the Export button. You can choose the Excel or PDF option. Excel is typically better for looking through your information in detail, but PDF is typically more printer-friendly. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.